Our first problem is x plus 3y equals 4 and negative 2x plus 5y equals negative 30. You're not subtracting these two. They're both separate equations. So don't get confused with that. So then our first step is to subtract 3y by this equation to get x equals 4 minus 3y. Then you can substitute 4 minus 3y into negative 2x plus 5y equals negative 30, since x equals 4 minus 3y. And then you get negative 2 times 4 minus 3y plus 5y equals negative 30. Our third step is to simplify it out. So you get negative 8 plus 6y plus 5y equals negative 30. And then you add 6y and 5y, and then you get negative 8 plus 11y equals negative 30. And then our fifth step is to add 8 from both sides. So you get 11y equals negative 22. Our sixth step is to divide by 11 from both sides. So 11y divided by 11 equals negative 22 divided by 11. And then you get y equals negative 2. Then you plug y equals negative 2 into this equation, x equals 4 minus 3y. And you get x equals 4 minus 3 times negative 2. And our eighth step, also our final step, is to add 4 and 6. And you get x equals 10 and y equals negative 2. And those are your final answers. Our final problem is 3x minus 2y equals 7 and 5x minus y equals 9. So what you do first is subtract 5x from both sides. Then you have negative y equals 9 minus 5x. Then you multiply it by negative and you get y equals negative 9 plus 5x. Step 2 is to substitute negative 9 plus 5x into 3x minus 2y equals 7. And once you've done that, you have 3x minus 2 times negative 9 plus 5x equals 7. And our third step is to simplify that out. If you do that, then you should get 3x plus 18 minus 10x equals 7. And then we can subtract, and then we can have 3x minus 10. Subtract the like terms, which once you've done that, you get negative 7x plus 18 minus 7. Our fifth step is to subtract 18 from both sides. And so you get negative 7x equals negative 11. Then you divide by negative 7 and you get x equals 11 over 7. Our seventh step is to substitute x, 11 over 7, into the 5x that you got from this equation. So then you have y equals negative 9 plus 5 times 11 over 7. Our eighth step is to simplify that out as negative 9 plus 55 over 7. Then you turn 9 into a fraction. So imagine you have negative 9 over 1. Multiply that by 7 to make the denominator equals to 7. Then you have negative 63 over 7 plus 55 over 7. Add those and you get negative 8 over 7 as your final answer.